see this big box. So you know what that means. We're going to do another unboxing video today. And I'm a bit worried because I bought these from Foot Locker and recently Foot Locker failed me. I tried to buy some TN Plus black midnight navies and they sent me the TN 3Ms. I'm Obi, and before we start, I just want to remind you that we're doing a giveaway and we're giving away the Yeezy 350 V2 Ash Stone. So if you don't know, please click on the video above, and if you're interested in the pair, just follow that video, go onto that video, follow the instructions, and you'll be entering. At the moment, there's only one person who has entered, so they're almost guaranteed to get the trainer. So if you're interested in the Yeezy 350, I advise you to actually click on the video and enter. Today we're going to be unboxing the Nike Air Max 97 Essential, and I have it here. So bear with me as I open this box. It seems like it's got multiple boxes, so it's the Foot Locker box that gave me. It's quite big. And then we have the 97s. Oh, look at that. What's that about? Oh, Foot Locker, man, let me down. What's that? Looks like it's damaged. That big box is useless. Big for nothing, man. We got a little damage there. This is my first time I'm seeing these trainers. I saw it online and I thought they looked dope, they look fresh. So let's have a look. Oh, okay. So let's have a look at these. Air Max 97 Essentials. This colorway is the white, light bone, black colorway. These particular Air Max 97s released this month. So I saw this online on Foot Locker website and it's on the Nike website. The retail price is $149.99 on Foot Locker, but on the Nike's website it's £10 more. For some reason $159.99. I really like the 97s. Earlier on in my life, I kind of had to get used to the 97s. I thought they looked like platypus beak. I'm not sure why that came to mind, but at that time. But as I get older, got used to the design. To be honest, it is a really slick design. If we start with the upper, the original design was inspired by tidal waves, and you can see that through the pattern. So if you didn't understand what the curves were for, then now you know. So if you look at the two lines, let's say waves at the top of the trainer towards the tongue, they're covered with reflective material. And if you don't know, these at the time was designed for runners, and it was the number one, okay, let's say, might not be quite number one, but it was a runner's go-to trainer. And Nike was designing these air units to support the runners. If you go towards the tongue, you can see the tongue is mesh material, so it's mesh all the way through. You have this overlay, which again is covered with reflective material. We also have the eyelets, which are always hidden on the 97s, typical of the 97 design, and this adds to the slick silhouette. At the top of the tongue, you got the oval leather patch with the orange embroidery, and I think that is a nice touch. It kind of pops, you know, it breaks up the white and grey, let's say, or light bone colorway. You also have on the top of the tongue, you have a pull, which is cool. And then towards the back heel side, you have the pull tab, which goes from the top part of the heel towards the midsole and has Air Max written on it. In this case, it's black. which is a good look. One thing I like about the Nike Air Max 97s is the fact that both the medial and the lateral sides are reflective of each other, which I think is clean. I do like that. I love symmetry. I love patterns with symmetry. That just, for some reason, just suits me. It's nice to the eye. It's good to the eye. Easy. Let's say easy on the eye. That's why I like it. So I think that's a good look. Moving down to the midsole, you have the iconic 97 Air unit, which goes from the front of the trainer to the back part of the trainer. I think this Air unit is still not dated. It's lasted 2 decades, and I think it's got another decade or so. The only gripe I have with the Air unit is the fact that after a period of time, they start becoming cloudy. I've had several Air Max 97s, and unfortunately, I don't know what trick that keeps it translucent and keeps it see-through. Always seems to go cloudy. That kind of pees me off all the time, because the trainer is such a lovely trainer, but that kind of just deters it a little bit. Moving to the outside of the trainer, it's definitely a good look. You have the light bone and white colorway, which I think complement each other, and you got the hints of black. So you got the Nike sign, which is black with surrounded by light bone, and then you got this little pattern which is black. So that is definitely a good look. This shoe looks premium, it feels premium, and the materials used gives it that premium look, definitely. The stitching itself looks clean, everything looks parallel at the right distance to going all the way around the trainer. The only problem I can see is on the air bubble in this particular trainer is the paint that's gone onto the air bubble, so there's a few issues there. But generally, the trainer looks very clean. So these particular trainers are half a size up from my true size. I've tried to buy a true size with these trainers. I do like a smaller looking trainer. I think they look cute. But on this particular trainer, you have to go up, because I found out walking long distance with these trainers, essentially your big toe starts throwing in the towel because it starts adding pressure. I would buy half a size up, as I think you will be much more comfortable with these trainers. Overall, this is a clean looking trainer. It definitely gets the Fresh to Death seal of approval, and it gives that summer vibe, and it should be part of your summer rotation. I'm going to finish the video there. If you like the content, please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. And if you want, you can follow us on Instagram on Sneaky Peeks Limited or Sneaky Peeks Ltd. Thank you very much for watching. Until the next video, take care.